Hello students, we are doing chapter number 6 problems on simultaneous linear equation exercise 6. Till question number 29 already we have done in the previous video, and today we are starting from question number 30. A boat sails a distance of 44 km in 4 hours with the current, and it takes 4 hours 48 minutes longer to cover the same distance against the current. Find the speed of boat in the still water and speed of current. So let the speed of boat is x kilometer per hour and speed of current or water is y kilometer per hour. So when it is downstream means when the direction of water and boat is same, then the final speed will be the sum of these two speed, means it will be x plus y kilometer per hour. And when it is upstream means the direction of boat and water is different, both are in the opposite direction. In that case speed will be x minus y kilometer per hour. When it is downstream, in that case distance is 44 kilometer and time is 4 hours. So here speed will be distance upon time, means 44 upon 4 equal to 11 kilometer per hour. So we can write here this x plus y is equal to 11 because this is also speed and this is also speed. So therefore x plus y is equal to 11. This is our first equation. Now second equation. For the second condition, distance is same 44 kilometer, but now time it is taking 4 hour 48 minute longer, means 4 plus 4 hour and 48 minute. So first we will change everything into the hour. 4 plus 4 it is 8 hour, and 48 minute also we will change into the hour. We will divide it with 60 and will convert into hour. Cancel with 12 table, 12, 4 and 5. After addition you will get 8 hours, 8 whole number 4 by 5 hours. We can change it into 8 5 40 plus 4 44 upon 5 hours. So speed in this case will be distance upon time. Distance is 44 and time is 44 by 5. By 5 will shift up and 44 will cancel out. It means speed is here 5 kilometer per hour. So we can write here x minus y is equal to 5. This is our second equation. Now these two equations we have to solve. First equation we have x plus y equal to 11. Second we have x minus y equal to 5. So if we add these two equations, x plus x will become 2x, y minus y cancel out, and 11 plus 5 will become 16. So x value is equal to 16 by 2, means 8 kilometer per hour. Now this x value we can substitute in any one equation. Therefore from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 11. 8 plus y is equal to 11. So y is equal to 11 minus 8, 3 kilometer per hour. So therefore speed of boat is here 8 kilometer per hour and speed of water is 3 kilometer per hour. Next we have question number 31. An aeroplane flies 1680 km with a head speed in 3.5 hours. On the return trip with the same speed blowing, the plane takes 3 hours. Find the plane air speed and the wind speed. So let the plane speed is x kilometer per hour and wind speed is y kilometer per hour. This is similar type question like 30 question, but here in place of boat we have aeroplane and in place of water we have wind. Concept is same. So first condition we will take when the plane is in the wind direction, and second one when plane is in the opposite direction of wind. So when it is in the same direction, in that case both the speed will add, final speed will be x plus y kilometer per hour. And when it is in opposite direction, that time speed will be x minus y kilometer per hour. Distance is same in both the condition. When it is headwind means opposite wind, in that case time is 3.5 hour, and when it is same wind means in the same direction, then time is 3 hour. So now we will find out the speed. According to the first condition, speed will be distance upon time, means 1680 upon 3, 560. So we can write x plus y is equal to 560. In the second case, speed will be distance upon time, 1680 upon 3.5. After cancellation you will get this 480. So we can write therefore x minus y is equal to 480. So this is our first equation, this is second equation. Now both the equation we will solve. So we have x plus y is equal to 560, and second equation x minus y is equal to 480. So we will add these two equations. X plus x will become 2x, y minus y will cancel out, 560 plus 480, it will become 1040. So x value will be 1040 by 2 means 520 kilometer per hour. Now this x value we can substitute in any one equation. Therefore from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 560, 520 plus y equal to 560. So y value will be 560 minus 520 equal to 40 kilometer per hour. So therefore aeroplane speed is 520 kilometer per hour and wind speed is 40 kilometer per hour. Next we have question number 32. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depend on the number of days on one has taken food in the mess. When Bhavna takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 2600 as hostel charges, whereas when Divya takes food for 26 days, she has to pay 3020 rupees as hostel charges. Find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. So first we have taken let fixed charges x rupees and the charges per day is y rupees. Now we will frame the equation. According to the first condition, Bhavna is taking food for 20 days. So x rupees she will pay definitely, and for 20 days she will pay 20 y rupees, because for one day it is y rupees, for 20 days it is 20 y, and total she is paying 2600 rupees. So this is our first equation. Now for Divya, she is paying for 26 days. So fixed charge though she will also pay, and for 26 days means 26y, and total her payment is 3020 rupees. This is second equation. Now these two equations we have to solve. Here x is same, x coefficient is same, so we can subtract these two equations because here symbol is same. So subtracting these equations, change the symbol for down line. X minus x will cancel out, 20 minus 26 will be minus 6y, and 2600 minus 3020 will be minus 420. Minus you can cancel out, so y value will be 420 by 6 means 70 rupees. Now this y value we can substitute in any one equation. Therefore from equation 1, x plus 20y is equal to 2600 rupees. X plus 20 into 70 is equal to 2600. X plus 1400 is equal to 2600. This you can shift another side and subtract. So x value is coming 1200. So we got here, therefore fixed charges is 1200 rupees and charges per day is 70 rupees. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood all these questions. Thank you for watching this video.